Let's be completely honest with each other. If you've been scrolling through YouTube looking for a business to start, you've probably seen the same advice 1,000 times. Start a dropshipping store with $10,000, or launch an Amazon FBA brand. But what if you don't have thousands of dollars sitting in your bank account? What if all you have about $200 to $500 US and a burning desire to escape the rat race? Here is the truth. Some of the most profitable businesses on earth don't require massive warehouses or venture capital. They require leverage, smart systems, and starting small. Today, we are breaking down 10 highly profitable businesses you can start this exact week with less than $500. We will go over the exact setup, the step-by-step launch plan, and the precise cost breakdown for every single one. No fluff, no theories, just pure, actionable blueprints. Let's dive into business number 1. Specialty food batching. Gourmet hot sauce, Artisan coffee. People don't just buy food, they buy experiences. Specialty food batching is the art of making one premium, high-margin food product from your home kitchen, packaging it beautifully, and selling it online. Think gourmet hot sauces, organic peanut butter, or custom-blended artisan loose-leaf teas. You don't need a commercial kitchen to start. Pick one recipe you excel at. Source high-quality glass jars or bottles in bulk. Design a sleek, minimalist label on Canva, and market it entirely through Instagram Reels and TikTok. If you sell 50 bottles at $10 each, you make $500. Reinvest that profit to double your next batch. The Custom Gift and Event Packaging Agency. Every single month, people are celebrating birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, and corporate events. They want their gifts to look expensive, but they don't have the time to curate them. That is where you come in. You buy cardboard magnetic boxes in bulk. Partner with local wholesale suppliers for premium chocolates, scented candles, and custom mugs. You assemble these into luxury gift boxes. By targeting corporate clients or wedding planners, you can sell these curated boxes at a 50% to 80% markup. It's highly visual, which makes it perfect for organic marketing on social media. Business 3, micro SaaS and low-code website flipping. Every local business, from your neighborhood dentist to a new gym down the street, needs a website. But they don't want to pay a web agency $3,000, and they don't know how to use WordPress. Using free or low-cost tools like Card.co or Framer, you can build stunning, fast, one-page websites for local businesses. You pitch them a digital upgrade. You build the site in one afternoon, host it, and charge them a setup fee plus a small monthly maintenance fee. Charge just $100 per simple website. You only need 2 clients to make your entire investment back, and everything after that is pure profit. Business 4, pre-loved thriftwear curation. Thrifting is no longer just about saving money. It is a massive fashion trend. Gen Z and millennials love unique, vintage, and sustainable clothes. Visit your local wholesale thrift market or source vintage items online. Spend hours finding the absolute best premium jackets, vintage tees, or hoodies. Wash them, steam them, photograph them with excellent lighting, and sell them on Instagram, Depop, or your own Shopify store. A vintage jacket bought for $2 can easily be sold for $15 once it is styled, cleaned, and marketed professionally. Business 5, print on demand, POD, local dropshipping. What if you want to sell custom apparel but don't want to buy printing machines or hold inventory? Print on demand is your answer. Create trending, funny, or aesthetic designs on Canva. Partner with a local custom printing supplier who offers dropshipping. They print and ship only when you get an order. You list the designs on your social media pages or a free store. When a customer buys, your supplier ships it directly to them. Business 6, the AI-powered short-form video editing agency. Right now, every single business owner, real estate agent, and creator wants to make TikToks, Reels, and YouTube Shorts, but they have no idea how to edit them. You don't need a high-end PC. You can do this entirely on your phone or laptop using CapCut, Opus Clip, or Premiere Pro. Learn how to add engaging captions, sound effects, and zoom-ins. Reach out to local business owners or online creators and offer to edit 3 short videos for free to prove your worth. Once they see the quality, sign them on a monthly retainer. Just 3 clients at $150 a month gets you a steady, highly scalable income. Business 7, smart home and tech installation service. People love smart technology, smart bulbs, security cameras, and smart plugs. But older or non-tech savvy homeowners have no idea how to set up Google Home, Alexa, or smart security systems. Become an expert in setting up smart home ecosystems. Market your services locally to affluent neighborhoods. You buy the smart plugs bulbs in bulk, install them for the client, connect them to their phones, and charge a premium service fee. Business 8. The niche digital planner and template hub. Digital planning is a multi-million-dollar industry. People love organizing their lives on iPads and tablets using apps like GoodNotes and Notability. Create hyperlinked PDF planners like fitness planners, budget trackers, or study planners using Keynote or Canva. Set up an Etsy shop or a Shopify store. Because digital products have zero shipping costs and 100% profit margins, every single sale is pure profit. Business 9. Organic and handmade cosmetics, soaps and lip balms. Commercial skincare products are loaded with chemicals. Consumers are heavily shifting toward organic, handmade, and cruelty-free alternatives. You can learn to make organic, cold-pressed soaps, lip balms, or body scraps through free YouTube tutorials in one weekend. The raw ingredients, like shea butter, coconut oil, essential oils, and lye, are incredibly cheap. Package them with natural, eco-friendly paper wrap. Business 10. Premium car detailing kits, e-commerce. Car enthusiasts are extremely protective of their vehicles. They will spend incredible amounts of money to keep their cars looking brand new and shiny. Instead of offering physical car washing services, create a premium DIY detailing kit. Source microfiber towels, high-gloss tire shiners, dashboard polish, and car shampoo in bulk. Combine them into a beautifully branded box and sell it online as the ultimate gift for car lovers. The biggest mistake people make isn't that they don't have enough money, it is that they never actually start. Every single one of these 10 businesses can be launched this week for less than $500. You don't need a massive team. You don't need perfect circumstances. You just need to take action on one idea and stay consistent. Now, once you start making money from these businesses, the next step is knowing how to manage, save, and grow that capital so you never have to worry about bills again. To learn exactly how to do that, check my channel. I'll break down the exact step-by-step framework to manage your new wealth. I'll see you over there.